Okay, my name is Hiram Del Amo, and I represent Elite PVC LLC. Our company is distributor in one of the finest PVC fences in the U.S. Our product is unique because our posts are filled in. They're not the regular 5x5 hollow. Our products, they're like a honeycomb shape inside the post, and they're very strong. They're stronger than what's in the market now. For wind, hurricanes, the sun, snow, any type of climate already has been tested. When you install a PVC fence, it's for life. It's not a fence that needs to be teared down a year from now or 10 years from now because of rotting. We call it, it's a fence for life. They can contact us through our website, which is www.elitepvcus.com, or they could call us at 1-888-6-ELITE-PVC.